To add pedometer to the home screen and have a step counter on the home screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can simply press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then you can go to widgets. Now once you open the list of widgets, then you might even be able to find the step counter here in suggestions, but if not, scroll down a little bit and search for the health app. And then over here in health, you should be able to find steps. So in my case, I'm just gonna use this widget over here, press and hold your finger on that widget, and then you can just drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. Now, as you can see here, now it says that we need to get started, so I'm gonna tap on the widget, and over here we need to go through the setup. So just tap on the button over there, and just wait for the app to load. You might need to also grant permissions, so let's make sure to do that. There we go. We can tap on start. And there we go. Now we can also allow access to alarms and reminders. And over here it says that it is used to count your steps, including other things. So I'm going to actually go to settings and I'm going to turn this on. There we go. Over here there is also the consent to use the health data for AI training and modeling, which we of course can cancel. Over here immediately you also have this steps menu. It should open straight away. You can, for example, tap on these three dots to set the target. And you can also go through previous days. And if you go back to the home screen, now the widget should work just fine. You can press and hold your finger on that widget if you want to, for example, adjust its size if you wanted to make it bigger. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.